Hello everyone, this is OMIS 670 group project presentation. We are group 15. My name is Ankita and my other group members are Monica and Shru. So our topic is we are going to present on Amazon Music Reviews Assessment. So our agenda for this project is we are going to discuss the summary, we'll talk about the business context, then we'll dive into the data and sources, we'll talk about the analysis approach and findings and recommendations based on that, and then we'll be discussing the conclusions. So moving to the summary, it's a well-established music company that want to study customer reviews through Amazon.com and make adjustments to its strategy. So we have conducted some topic modeling, text classification, and sentiment analysis to estimate customers' sentiment towards products and identifying areas of improvements for the company. So overall, it was found that although the company is being reviewed positively on Amazon, there were certain points to consider to expand customer base while also maintaining existing relationship. So if we talk about the music industry, it's blooming with new products with advancement in technology and increased sync with digital platforms like mobile and other computing devices. So customers buy music products from Amazon.com across the US and then submit reviews and feedback based on their experience. So in this scenario, companies are more open towards receiving feedback on their products to compete among each other. So it's important to study product reviews using customer sentiment analysis and topic modeling to better strategize new product launch and changes in sales and marketing strategy. So we got our data of Amazon music product reviews from the University of California, San Diego, the UCSD website. So our data has some columns like data ID, which review identifier. Then there is reviewer ID, which is customer identifier. Then reviewer name. Then product review, of course. And then there is year, month, date of review. And the last is customer zip code that tells you that where's the customer is reviewing from. Then we'll talk about our analysis approach. So first what we did is we loaded the data. So we took the JSON file which we sourced from UCSD website and then loaded it to our studio. After that, we pre-processed the data. That means that we removed all the unwanted characters, the punctuations, unwanted spaces, or unwanted symbols like etc. or at the rate, these things. Then we perform the sentiment analysis to calculate sentiment score or polarity based on text reviews. So sentiment scores were used to classify reviews into positive, negative, or neutral. After that, we performed topic modeling, which was conducted on R post creation of document term matrix and LDA algorithm, which is the latent dirichlet allocation algorithm. So in this best model was selected based on coherent score. And after that, we moved to text classification, which was used to identify highest frequency of words in product reviews and also the most popular products from the company. And at last, the results we found out from sentiment analysis and topic modeling, these results were combined to visualize customer behavior based on sentiments represented by scores and topic raised in the reviews. So our first finding that was from topic modeling. So you can see we have a graph here on the left side which shows overall reviews distribution by topic class. So we got 19 class and based on highest coherence, and then we used dendrium on that, and after that we got 6 class, out of which we found out that class 17 was the one which has the highest contribution of negative reviews. So on the right hand side, you can see there's a graph which shows negative reviews distribution by topic class. So topic 17 shows words in reviews which contribute to negative sentiment. Like I have also have a word cloud on the right hand side which shows words like price, cheap, quality, break, issue, etc., which of course you can say that these all are negative words. So based on that, we found out that there are issues with the price of the product, with the quality of the product, with customer issue as well. So we recommended some points, and that is in order of priority. So our first recommendation was better pricing with respect to competitors, of course, because price is the one of the most visible here in the word cloud. Then the second was to better product quality, like avoid uses of cheap plastic. You can see here cheap and plastic, words like that. Then there was improve robustness and ensure longer life of products. We assume that because here you can see that there are words like issue, months, long. And the last was to resolve customer issues and complaints quickly. So this also we got it from here, like because we saw some words here like issue, takes months, like this. And so moving on to our next finding, which is sentiment analysis. So first, why we selected this, why we use sentiment analysis, because it helps in studying the sentiment of the users on how well they adapt to this changing industry. So by sentiment analysis, one can know if the customers' reviews are positive or negative, and if it's negative, then all what all topics were discussed in the reviews. So on and we found out here in the graph, you can see that the sentiments recorded by customers are highest in the month of June. In the month of June, the sentiments were the highest compared to other months. So you can see before June and after June, the customer reviews or sentiments, it's not at that peak. So the distribution also follows a similar distribution, with peak in June month and with highest sentiment scores in the eastern US. This we are saying by, if you see this geographical graph, you can see here that in eastern US, in like New York or Maryland, state of Maryland, or Washington DC area, customers were more concerned about the reviews. So based on that, we got some recommendation here. So we think that companies should pay more attention to reviews or product sales towards end of the year. This might be due to the seasonality factor and customers drop in trust of products towards end of the year. And we also thought that companies should pay more attention to sales coming in from eastern region of the US, especially New York and Baltimore, Maryland states, because higher customer sensitivity towards the product are observed in these states, that we got from that geographical graph. So moving on to our last finding, which we did from the text classification, which was used to identify highest frequency of words in product reviews and also the most popular products from the company. So from here, the word cloud, we can see that the overall product review is positive, with highest emphasis on words like good, sound, well, quality, great, etc. So we also observe that guitar is among the most popular choice of products, because in this word cloud, you can see that it's the most visible word. So based on that, our recommendation is that as the overall product review is positive through Amazon, company seems to be on right track. So however, it should try to maintain guitar sales through quality consistency and emphasis on sound quality. And we also would like to recommend to evaluate other products' performance and estimate customers' feedback on those. So now moving to our and wrapping this up with our conclusion, which was like, we found out that overall the music company is doing good. The music products sold through Amazon.com are positively reviewed by customers. However, there are certain problems reported which impacts the reviews negatively. Some of them are pricing, the quality of product, the customer service. So we recommended to maintain the sales of guitar, which is one of one among the highest rated products, and also focus on increasing other product sales by paying more attention towards above mentioned points. So we have our dashboard link attached here if you want to see our dashboard related to topic modeling, sentiment analysis. So you can go to this link and check that out. So thank you.